What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm going to show you how to fix your iPad if it's frozen. Okay, let's say that you're trying to use your iPad but it's simply stuck in here on a specific screen, whether it's the lock screen or the main home screen in here. You're trying to use it but it's not responding, it's stuck and you're unable to use it. I'm going to show you how to fix it in this video because this can be a software problem as well as a hardware problem. I'm going to help you diagnosing the problem and how to fix it according to the exact problem that you do have. If it's a software problem, most probably you'll be able to solve it in today's video. If it's a hardware problem, it's a bit more difficult, but I'm going to show you as well the basic concept, and if you're lucky, you'll be able to fix it. Otherwise, you'll have to take it to a service center. Without any further ado, let's jump straight into the video. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel I do cover a lot of tech hacks and tutorials, so if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. It really helps me out. Now, I do have in here an iPad mini, but regardless of your iPad model, this will work for you as well. Okay, so the very first step in here, in order for you to try fix your iPad that doesn't respond or it's frozen, you want to try turning it off. At the top of your iPad, you do have a physical power off button. You want to press and hold that button, okay, for a couple of seconds and then release it once you see the slide to power off. Once you see the slide to power off, you want to turn it off. Okay, I'm not gonna do it right now. This is just the very first step to try. Now, if it doesn't even allow you to slide to power off, to turn it off, let's say it's not working at all, try pressing the button, see if something happens. Now, if it doesn't, what we're gonna do is perform a forced restart. That means that the problem is much deeper. Okay, but do not worry, this will not delete any sort of data from your iPad. Now, in order to perform a forced restart on your iPad, all you need to do is rapidly tap on volume up and then down and then press and hold on the power button if you have an iPad without the physical home button. Okay, I'm talking about most recent iPad models. In my case, I do have a physical home button in here, so the method in order to perform it with the physical home button is the following. You need to press and hold the physical home button along with the power button continuously until you see the Apple logo. So I'm going to showcase it to you, for example, on my iPhone in here, which is a much newer one. If you wish to perform on a much newer iPad, this is how it goes. Volume up, volume down, and then press and hold the power button. Right now, I'm only pressing the power button and my iPhone or iPad will restart in a few seconds. There we go. I'm still pressing the power button. As soon as you see the Apple logo on your screen, there we go. You want to release the power button and let your iPhone or iPad turn on normally. There we go. This is how you perform a forced restart on a much newer iPad. Now, if you have a much older one, as I've said, with a physical home button in here, in order to perform a forced restart, all you need to do is press and hold the physical home button along with the power button. Press and hold both of the buttons continuously and do not release them. Okay, just keep on pressing both of the buttons combination, and as soon as you see the Apple logo on your screen, you're gonna release both of the buttons and let your iPad turn on normally. This is how you perform a forced restart that in most cases will help you fixing this problem. What exactly does a forced restart do? A forced restart pretty much reboots your iPad and it restarts as if it's coming from a deep sleep. It's important for you to perform a forced restart once in a while, every 10 to 15 days, in order to ensure that your Apple device refreshes its settings and makes sure that every setting and process is refreshed and is working fine. Here we go. Once you're done doing that, try using your iPad and see if the problem is sorted out. Now, if it's not sorted out, we're going to turn it off in another way. I'm going to show it to you on this device again because it's a much newer device. Okay, so in order to shut it down, this is how it goes. You'll have to press volume up and then down and then press and hold the power button. Okay, continue pressing the power button. Do not release the power button. Okay, and as soon as you see the Apple logo on your screen, you're gonna start pressing and holding the volume up. This is how it goes. Apple logo, I'm pressing now the volume up along with the power button still, and then release both of the buttons as soon as it sits on the black screen. Now, once it sits on the black screen, you wanna keep it like this for 10 to 15 minutes connected to the charger. Essentially, your iPad will be turned off, connected to the charger, and charging your device. Okay, so that's how it goes. Keep it charging for 10 to to 15 minutes and then turn it back on real quick to see if it solves the problem that you've got. Now, once you're done charging for 10 to 15 minutes, simply press and hold the power button to turn back on your iPad device and see if it's sorted out. Now, if it's sorted out, ensure that the very first thing you're gonna do is hop into settings and then go straight all the way to the update. Okay, you wanna check if you do not have any pending update here on your iPad. In order to fix this glitch or problem that we've got, hop into general and then scroll up all the way to software update and see if you do not have any pending software or if it's the latest software available on your iPad device. Now, if updating didn't fix the problem, or in case you're running already the latest version in your iPad of software, then all you want to do is turn it off and keep it charging for much longer. Let's say 2 hours. Keep it charging for 2 hours, and then once you're done charging for 2 hours, remove the charger and turn it back on. Okay, just want to keep it processing for a much longer period of time. Now, in case your iPad doesn't turn on after we've performed all these workarounds, which is very unlikely, it's simply shut down after you did the force restart or force shutdown, then all you want to do is simply take a toothpick and you want to clean your charging port in here. You're going to clean your charging port, okay? So this is how it goes. You're going to insert the toothpick in here inside and perform this movement to the left as well as to the right. You want to make sure you touch the sky of the charging port right there, okay? Just to remove as much lint and dust that you do have in here, because this may be interfering the charging process of your iPad device, and this could be the cause for your iPad not to turn on after you've done the force restart. So you want to do this for approximately 5 minutes and remove as much dust as you can or lint with the toothpick, but ensure that it's a toothpick and it's made up of wood, just to avoid any sort of short circuit or any problem at all. So this is how you can actually fix your iPad if it's frozen, if it's not responding, if it's very hot or heating up, which also causes it to behave in this way on getting stuck and a lot more stuff. Thank you so much for making it till the end of the video, and if you find my content useful, consider subscribing, like the video, and let me know down in the comment section if you do have any question or doubts. I would like to deeply thank all of you guys for supporting the YouTube channel Fixed by Shaq, where my main aim in here is to help all of you guys fixing tech related issues without spending money, without paying for a technician to a local engineer or anything like that, because in most cases you can actually fix all these issues or most commonly faced issues by your own at your home. Okay, so my aim is to help you guys with tech related content. Thank you for supporting. We've just hit 50,000 subscribers, and all this wouldn't be possible without your support in here. By subscribing, by liking, you actually keep me going, and this really helps me out so I can reach out to more people and consequently help more people facing the same problem as yours. My aim in here is to grow the channel as much as I can so I can reach out to more people, and of course, as I've just said, help out more people here with tech related issues. But of course, it's not easy to do it alone. This is a community. I want you guys to stay here with me, interacting in the comment section within the community tab as well, by visiting the community in here so we can actually interact every single day. And if you have any doubt or any question by any means, feel free to leave it down in the comment section so I can actually reply to you as soon as possible. I really appreciate your help, and I hope we can actually reach 200k subscribers real soon. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.